Welcome to my class again. Today we will discuss about part 3 of Unit 9 of our workbook. We have already discussed about two parts, part 1 and part 2. Now we will discuss about part 3. First we will know about the clause. Just I have told you in the second part. What is a clause? A clause is a sentence or the part of a sentence that has a subject and a predicate, and it has independent meaning. That has independent meaning, that is called main clause. The part of the sentence which has no independent meaning, that is subordinate clause. We will know one by one. What is a main clause or independent clause? Main clause or independent clause? The clause that has its independent meaning is the main clause. Okay? Then what is a subordinate clause? A clause which can't stand independently as a sentence is called subordinate clause. A subordinate clause has no independent meaning. So we say it is subordinate or dependent clause, we say. Then relative clause is one of the subordinate clause. It begins with the relative words like who, whom, which and that. There is also a clause named like relative clause. It begins with the relative words like who, which or that. So here children, we have given 5 sentences of relative clause. They begin with whom, which and that, and we have to remove them from the sentence and make them zero relative. When we drop out the relative words from the sentence, it became zero relative. So in this case, we have to follow a certain law. We have to change the position of the preposition in the sentence. We have to change the position of the preposition in the sentence to after the verb of the relative clause. We will write the preposition after the verb of the relative clause. At that time we can draw the relative words without changing the meaning of the sentence. So we will do one by one. 1 mark comes in the annual examination from these 4. Okay children? So listen to me very carefully. So rewrite without using who, which or that. This is the boy about whom Ram spoke. This is the boy about whom Ram spoke. Here, this is the boy. This is the noun phrase. About whom, whom related with. This is the relative word. It has some relation with the word the boy. So this is called the relative word. So we have to drop the word whom from this sentence. Now our work is we have to find out which one is the preposition in this sentence. So look at this. This is the preposition about. We have to take the preposition after the verb of the relative clause. Which one is the verb? Spoke. So what is the answer? boy. Then we have to change its stress. We will not write it. Then whom will be dropped. Then what is that? Ram spoke about. This is the boy Ram spoke about. So there is no change of the meaning of this sentence from this sentence. We have dropped the relating word. What we did? We changed the place of the preposition. It must be after the verb of the relative word. Okay, children? Then we will go to the next. This is the boy for which I waited came late. This is the boss. This is the boss. This is the boss for which I waited came late. Here also the relative word which we have to drop it, and then we have to find out which one is the preposition in this sentence. So for is the preposition in this sentence. Now we have to find out the verb. I waited. This is the verb. So the answer is this is the boss. I waited for came late. Look at this. This is the boss I waited for came late. There is no change of the meaning. Then we will discuss about number 3. This is the best hotel. Number 3. This is the best hotel that I know. That I know. When we do, Ram said that he was a student, or we can also say Ram said he was a student. We can drop that. There is no change of meaning. Here also, when we drop that, we know that there is no change of the meaning here. We cannot change here the preposition. Preposition is not there in this sentence. If that is there, we can drop it easily. So, children, the answer is this is the best hotel I know. This is the best hotel I know. There is no preposition, and if that is there, the relative word that is there, we can drop it easily. If we drop that, there will be no change of the meaning in the sentence. Okay? So then 4. Number 4 is the friend with whom I was traveling, spoke Hindi frequently. traveling spoke Hindi frequently. So here children, the word given was is, so look at this, the friend with whom I was traveling spoke Hindi frequently. The relative word is who. Now we have to find out the preposition. What is the preposition? With. With is the preposition. We have to take the place of the preposition with after the verb of the relative clause. Now see what is the verb traveling. Traveling here. I was traveling. So here children, the friend I was traveling with spoke Hindi frequently. Okay children, there is no change of the meaning when we drop that relative word. The friend I was traveling with spoke Hindi frequently. So it has no change of meaning. Then it is most important. Number 4 and 5 is most important for annual examination. Then 5. Number 5 is the letter on which I was standing began to sleep. Look at this sentence. The ladder on which I was standing began to sleep. It is also important. Number 4 and 5 are the most important question for annual examination. 1 mark comes from these 2 or from these 4. Most of the time, number 4, either number 5 comes in the examination. Okay? So the ladder on which I was standing began to sleep. Which is the relative word? We have to drop it. Then we have to find out the preposition. On is the preposition. We will change its place after the verb. I was standing. Then after standing, we have to use on. The answer is the letter I was standing. I was standing on began to sleep. The ladder I was standing on began to sleep. It has no change of meaning. So look at this children. They are the zero relative. There is no relative word. It is a relative clause, but there is no relative word in this sentence. So by changing the position of the preposition, we change the relative sentence into zero relative. And when that is there, we can easily drop it. Whether there is a preposition or not, there is no problem to us. Only we have to drop that and write the other words. There is no change of the meaning. So here children, we have to write these things in our workbook. I have shown you what is a clause, what is the main clause. We have to write these things in our Abhyas notebooks. These are the clues or the rules of the workbook. We have to write them in our So children, we will stop here. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.